Did you know that a giant Pacific octopus has 9 brains? Fascinating, isn't it? This underwater marvel is a unique spectacle of nature, boasting not just 1 but 9 functioning brains. Each arm has a mini brain of its own, allowing it to operate independently. But that's not all. The giant Pacific octopus also has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. When this creature swims, the heart that delivers blood to the body actually stops beating, which is why octopuses prefer to crawl rather than swim, conserving their energy. And their blood? It's a beautiful shade of blue, thanks to a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin, which helps them survive in the cold, oxygen-poor waters. So, if you thought you had a lot on your mind, imagine having 9 brains. Turning to the skies, did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward? This unique ability is attributed to their distinct wing structure, allowing them to change direction with lightning speed. This acrobatic prowess is not just for show. It's a critical survival skill, enabling hummingbirds to maneuver quickly while they dart in and out of flowers for nectar, their primary food source. So, whether it's forward, backward, or even upside down, the hummingbird masters the air like no other. Their aerial acrobatics truly set hummingbirds apart in the bird world. On land, did you know a cheetah can reach speeds from 0 to 113 kilometers per hour in a matter of seconds? This phenomenal burst is not just about speed, but survival. The cheetah uses it to outmaneuver and outrun its prey in the wild. It's a breathtaking display of natural engineering and athleticism, a testament to the wonders of evolution. So remember, while we marvel at its speed, for the cheetah, it's a necessity. In the race for survival, the cheetah definitely takes the lead. Did you know that lions, the so-called kings of the jungle, are actually very lazy creatures? These magnificent felines spend up to 20 hours a day at rest. From mid-morning until late afternoon, they're typically found lounging in the shade or napping. This might seem like sheer laziness, but it's a survival strategy. By conserving energy during the day, lions are primed for their nocturnal hunting activities. So it seems that for lions, resting is just as important as roaring. Moving to a slower pace, did you know if you cut off a snail's eye, it will grow a new one? Indeed, snails are remarkable creatures with astounding regenerative capabilities. When a snail loses an eye, it triggers a process of cell division and growth, allowing the eye to be regenerated. This incredible ability is not just for show, but a crucial survival mechanism in the wild, where injuries are commonplace. With their regenerative abilities, snails truly have an eye for survival. In the ocean, did you know sea turtles never meet their parents? From the moment they hatch, these tiny creatures are thrust into a world of independence. Their first challenge? A perilous trek across the beach to the sea, guided only by the moon's glow. Once in the water, their solitary journey continues, navigating the vast ocean's currents, predators, and mysteries. It's a life of self-reliance, where each turtle must fend for itself. In the vast ocean, every sea turtle is truly on its own. Did you know that koalas and humans have very similar fingerprints? Yes, it's true. In a fascinating twist of nature, koalas share an uncanny likeness in their fingerprints to those of humans. So much so, even a microscope may struggle to tell them apart. But why is this? Well, the leading theory suggests it's a case of convergent evolution where unrelated species independently evolve similar traits. So, next time you're marveling at your unique fingerprints, remember, in the animal kingdom, koalas might just be our handy relatives. Did you know that a butterfly has about 12,000 eyes? It's true. These eyes are part of their compound visual system, a marvel of nature's engineering. Each eye, or ommatidium, perceives a small part of the butterfly's world, together creating a mosaic image. This vision allows them to navigate their environment, find food, and evade predators. So next time you see a butterfly fluttering by, remember, they're seeing the world in a way we can only imagine. With 12,000 eyes, butterflies have a view of the world like no other. Did you know that cats can't taste sugar? It's true. Our feline friends are equipped with unique taste buds, designed specifically for their carnivorous dietary needs. Unlike humans who relish in the sweetness of sugary treats, cats are indifferent. Their tongues lack the taste receptors needed to detect sugary flavors. So that piece of cake you're enjoying, your cat wouldn't taste the sweetness even if it tried. It's a fascinating quirk in Mother Nature's design. For cats, a sweet tooth is simply not in their nature. Finally, did you know that the chicken could be the closest related animal to a T-Rex? Yes, you heard it right. The humble chicken, clucking around in the farmyard, shares a surprising link with the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, the giant predator that roamed the Earth more than 65 million years ago. This connection was brought to light through the marvels of genetic studies. Scientists have found that certain proteins in chicken and T-Rex tissues are incredibly similar. So similar, in fact, that it's led researchers to believe that chickens are the modern descendants of these monstrous creatures. Let's imagine that from the monstrous roar of the T-Rex in the age of dinosaurs to the simple cluck of today's chicken, there's a thread of life that has remained unbroken for millions of years. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? So next time you see a chicken, remember, you might just be looking at a tiny T-Rex. Well, there you have it. 10 amazing facts about the animal kingdom. We kicked things off with the giant Pacific octopus, the 9-brained wonder with 3 hearts and blue blood. Then we took flight with the hummingbirds, the only birds capable of flying backwards. We felt the rush with the cheetah, capable of reaching breakneck speeds in mere seconds. We lounged with the lions, the lazy king of the jungle. We marveled at the snail's incredible ability to regenerate its eyes and empathized with the solitary lives of sea turtles, never meeting their parents. We were amazed by the uncanny similarity between human and koala fingerprints, and we gazed in wonder at the butterfly's 12,000 eyes. We pondered the peculiar palate of the cat, unable to taste sugar, and finally we connected the dots between the humble chicken and the mighty T-Rex. From 9-brained octopuses to T-Rex-related chickens, the animal kingdom is truly full of surprises. Stay curious and keep exploring the world around you.